What's up, guys? So in today's video, we're going to be adding some vent windows to my 87 Jeep Comanche. Right now it's just got the stockers that don't move at all, and it gets kind of hot in there. So this will get me a little bit more airflow. These came from, I got 3 of these from George, who has that 88 Comanche Eliminator. So big shout out to him. Thank you for these. He gave me 3 of them, and then I was able to kind of cobble together parts from the third one into making 2 decent ones. So we're just gonna be throwing them in the Comanche today. All right, so we're just gonna take the door panel off here. Just a couple screws. I'll slowly Okay, got the door panel off. 2 screws up here. I think I need to take this guy out just to make things easier. Getting this guy kind of to slant it out like that. Came out pretty good. Okay, there's a little, got to take the window out, and it looks like there's maybe a 7/16 little nut here. Yep, 7/16 nut that we just got to loosen up to get the window to fall down in the track a little bit more. Okay, little nut out. We'll just push this, I think, forward. That's just gonna fall down in there a little bit more. Hopefully that's enough. Nope, let's go all the way with it. Okay, so we're taking off this 10 mil to get to the bottom of this piece here. Okay, just like that. And then we should be able to just wiggle this guy out. Nope, just kind of finagle it out. Nice. These are in actually really good shape still, which is good. Okay, we'll see if we can finagle this back in here. Not ruining anything. Okay. Cool. All right, so now I gotta get the window in the track again. Got that all squared away. Got this. Man, I'll tell you what, old cars are literally the best when it comes to taking apart stuff. This door panel is so easy to get on and off. And even though it's super old, everything's working all right. I do have to put a stereo system in this thing someday. Just like that. Put this in here. Screw this guy in here. This is a little two-tone. This is from my original interior in the Comanche. Thought it would keep some of it, you know. I do have to keep forgetting all the projects that I need to do on this. I want to paint all this trim here, this chrome plastic. I want to paint that all black. Yeah, make it look a little better. Lastly, we'll stick on our window roller. Nice. And that is this side done. That's gonna leak. So there it is installed on the truck. Go ahead and show it working here. Just like that. Get some good airflow in the truck, which will be fantastic. Yeah, that's so great. There we go, and then I'll show you closing them. And just latch it shut just like that. There we go. The seal's pretty good here. As you can see, these, I kind of painted this a little rusty there, but it's all right. This truck doesn't see salt, so the only thing I consider possibly being an issue down in there, see we got a gap, so water's just gonna be sending down in there. So I'll maybe figure something out. Maybe I'll put take the door panel off or something, or just this belt lining, and maybe add my own weather stripping underneath there to keep water from getting in the door. Because right now it doesn't really matter. It'll drain out of the door, but when I put a sound system in there, that means the speakers are just gonna be getting soaked. So yeah, but love the way that looks. Looks really good. And then I'm just gonna do the other side. But man, now they got the rear slider back there, the vent windows. She's coming along nicely. So there we go. So anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Big shout out to George for hooking me up with those vent windows. That was really nice of you, dude. And if you guys aren't in my Discord, I'll leave a link in the description below. And this is where just all the other subscribers are at, and post pictures of your Jeeps. George had sent me the picture of the vent windows. That's what I wanted them. So definitely consider joining that if you guys want a little bit more community with the other subscribers. So anyway, guys, we'll catch you guys in the next video.